maybe you've seen this billboard that's been getting a lot of attention for what it says. As questions continue to mount regarding Iran's nuclear capabilities, one Utah man is worried it will ultimately lead to war. So he and some friends rented a billboard to voice their concerns.
News specialist Alex Cabrero joins us at the billboard site in West Valley. And Alex, that does turn a lot of heads there for sure.
It certainly does, Keith and Lori. Now, this billboard has only been here since this past Tuesday. This spot is located just north of the Maverick Center along I-215 in West Valley. And let me show you what the billboard says. Right there, big letters, Bomb Iran. Now, at first, that message is striking, but the designer says once you understand the message behind it, it all makes sense. A picture of a bomb, the word war crossed out, and big, bold letters. With so many billboards in the Salt Lake Valley, the man who designed this one knew he had to go big to get big attention.
We feel it's a message that needs to be heard. It's not getting a lot of attention. The war drums are beating very loudly.
Connor Boyack helped design this billboard. At first glance, it looks like he's in favor of bombing Iran.
And some people say, well, people might think you're actually trying to advocate that people go bomb Iran. That's not the truth. And if you go to the website, that's clear.
Which is the second part of the billboard, where you'll see support the troops with troops crossed out. Instead, it reads, support the military-industrial complex.
It would be a war that would benefit what Dwight D. Eisenhower called the military-industrial complex. The war profiteers, the propagandists. This isn't a war that we need to fight.
Boyack says about 50 friends helped pay for the billboard. The very day it went up by the Maverick Center in West Valley, the website listed on it received some 15,000 hits. He feels the lead-up to a possible war with Iran is very similar to the war buildup before the Iraq invasion.
I mean, a lot of people, I think, are buying into the pro-war message. They feel fearful. They think that we do need to go attack Iran. What we try and do is balance that with fact.
The website is full of pictures, documentaries, and information Boyack feels will help people understand what he calls the whole story, so another Iraq doesn't happen.
We want to make the people aware of what's going on. We want to make them hold their leaders accountable. There hasn't been a lot of that. Now, this billboard was paid for a month. Depending on donations, it could go another month or be moved to another spot. Now, of course, Boyack knows a billboard on its own won't stop a war from happening, but maybe it will create some conversation that will ultimately make its way to elected leaders. And Keith and Lori, he says he felt like he just had to do something, and this was his way.
Yeah, it's going to be a talker, that's for sure.
It is.
Thanks, Alex.